Today I am going on a trip. Today I am going on a trip. I am excited to travel. I am excited to travel. I have my passport and ticket. I have my passport and ticket. I pack my suitcase. I pack my suitcase. I put my clothes in my bag. I put my clothes in my bag. I check my travel documents. I check my travel documents. I make sure I have everything. I make sure I have everything. I am ready for my journey. I am ready for my journey. Let's go to the airport. Let's go to the airport. I leave my house. I leave my house. I take a taxi to the airport. I take a taxi to the airport. The traffic is not too busy. The traffic is not too busy. I look out the window. I look out the window. The airport is getting closer. The airport is getting closer.
I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport.
I enter the terminal. I enter the terminal. The airport is very busy. The airport is very busy. I look around carefully. I look around carefully.
I check the departure board. I check the departure board.
I find my airline counter. I find my airline counter. I wait in line. I wait in line. It is my turn. It is my turn. I greet the airline staff. I greet the airline staff. I show my passport. I show my passport. I show my ticket. I show my ticket. I check my luggage. I check my luggage. I receive my boarding pass. I receive my boarding pass. I thank the staff. I thank the staff.
I walk to the security area. I walk to the security area.
I join another line. I join another line. I put my bag on the scanner. I put my bag on the scanner. I remove my jacket. I remove my jacket. I walk through the security gate. I walk through the security gate. I collect my belongings. I collect my belongings. I continue to the departure area. I continue to the departure area. I follow the signs to my gate. I follow the signs to my gate. I find the correct gate. I find the correct gate. I sit down and relax. I sit down and relax. I check my phone. I check my phone. I drink some water. I drink some water. I wait for boarding. I wait for boarding. Boarding begins. Boarding begins. I stand in line. I stand in line. I show my boarding pass. I show my boarding pass. I walk through the gate. I enter the airplane. I enter the airplane. I find my seat. I find my seat. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I put my bag in the overhead bin. I fasten my seatbelt. I fasten my seatbelt. The plane takes off. The plane takes off. I look out the window. I look out the window. The view is beautiful. The view is beautiful. I listen to music. I listen to music. I listen to music. I eat a snack. I eat a snack. I enjoy the flight. I enjoy the flight. The plane lands safely. The plane lands safely. I leave the airplane. I leave the airplane. I go to baggage claim. I go to baggage claim. I collect my suitcase. I collect my suitcase. I leave the airport. I leave the airport. I arrive at my destination. I arrive at my destination. My trip begins. My trip begins. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. Thank you for learning English with me. Thank you for learning English with me.